Just got a friend request from this guy named Dennis Ritchie.
Dennis? I know Dennis. He and I went to the same high school.
Oh, chill. Said he was born in 1941.
Yeah, he's still in college though. He's taking a couple victory laps.
Oh, cool. Hey guys, he did a couple cool things. Check it out.
Oh wow, he created C? What's C though?
Oh, I've heard it's a programming language for engineers and they use it to like make software and stuff.
Oh. Hey, let's go through this.
Okay. Oh, that's a good picture of him.
He looks like he got some Botox.
Definitely need some.
He's a little more.
Still need a haircut?
So he needs a shave too.
Yeah.
But hey, I like the scruff. Oh look, okay, so some of the programs or the languages that were shaped by the creation of C. Dang.
Perl, Python, C#, Node.js, C++. That's quite a lot.
Pretty cool.
Huh.
Okay. Oh, it says that he's feeling nostalgic. Hey, thanks Ken Thompson and Brian Kernigan for roping me into a project back in the day to create a new file type. Fancy. Without this project, Unix would not have been born, and without Unix, we would not have created C. Crazy.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Okay. What else is going on? Oh, okay. It says that he's thinking about a lot of things. Okay. Facebook is asking me what's on my mind. Well, if you're so curious, right now, I'm thinking about all the wonderful things that exist because of C. Microsoft Windows, Android, iOS, and a lot of other cool stuff you probably use frequently. That's what's on my mind. Yeah, I use that a lot.
Me too.
Man, he's a pretty cool dude.
So a man with brains and
And he likes memes too. That's pretty cool.
Funny memes.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, he posted a video.
Yeah,
Let me see.
let's check it out.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
C is a compiled language designed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in 1972. It is found in everything from small applications to advanced scientific systems and operating systems. The C programming language that you see is in the human-readable form, while the executable that comes out of a compiler is in the machine-readable form. This means that, unlike Python and similar interpreted languages, C is a compiled language and must be ran through a C compiler to turn the program into an executable that the computer can run. What this means is that in order to write and run a C program, you must have access to a C compiler, such as Clang or GCC. However, you can run the program without the compiler after being compiled. While this, noticeable program speed increases and other benefits are associated with compiled languages, it can be a major pain to find even simple errors. Now, as any crash course should, I will quickly show you the basics of the language. So, let's start with the simplest possible C program. The first line in this code is what includes the standard I/O or input-output library into your program. This library lets you read input from the keyboard, called standard in, and write output to the screen, called standard out, among other things. A library like this is simply a package of code that someone else has written to make your life easier when programming. The next line, int main, declares the main function. Every C program must have a function named main somewhere in the code. After this, we see one of the bracket symbols, which are what mark the beginning and end of blocks of code. Next is our statement. In this case, we see a printf statement, which in C allows you to send output to the standard out, or for us, the screen. This is very much like the print function that we find in Python. Last is some of the most common functions that we can find in C. First is a printf function. Here we see that information to be displayed goes inside of quotation marks within the parentheses. The percent signs with letters that you see serve as placeholders for variables that are placed after the quotations and are separated by commas. The four formats that can be used are characters, floats, integers, and character strings. Next is a basic if-else statement. If the expression returns true, then the statement block 1 will be executed. Otherwise, statement block 2 will be executed instead. Next is a while loop. The statements inside of the brackets of this loop will be continuously performed unless the condition is met. Last is a for loop. This is a loop that will be executed a set number of times based on what you specify in the init, condition, and increment. This was an extremely basic crash course of C, and I hope you choose to pursue learning the language further. Thank you.
you're welcome. You know what? I do want to learn more about C.
I heard Dennis is recently single now too.
I might send him a message.